Imagine waking up every day to see your bank account growing while you focus on what truly matters. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of faceless online niches, where you can build passive income streams in 2025 without ever showing your face. Today, we're uncovering the 8 most lucrative faceless online niches you can start right now to create financial freedom and live your dream lifestyle. And here's a little secret. There's a bonus niche at the end that might just be the perfect fit for you. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. What's stopping you from taking action today? Is it fear, doubt, or just plain procrastination? Stick around, because this video will change your perspective and give you the tools to crush those excuses. 1. Personal finance blogs and channels. Let's start with a niche that's evergreen and massively in demand: personal finance. Whether it's budgeting tips, investment strategies, or debt repayment hacks, people are always looking for ways to manage their money better. Here's the beauty of this niche. You don't have to be a financial guru. Tools like AI writers can help you research and create quality content without needing a finance degree. Monetize through affiliate links, ad revenue, or even digital products like budgeting templates. Just don't title your blog "Get Rich Quick by Tuesday" unless you want people to laugh or report you. Speaking of tools, let's move on to our next niche that's all about making life easier. 2. Tech reviews and tutorials. Tech never stops evolving, and neither does the demand for honest reviews and how-to guides. From explaining the latest AI tools to reviewing budget-friendly gadgets, this niche has endless possibilities. The best part? You don't need to appear on camera. For instance, create screen recordings for software tutorials or use AI voiceovers for unboxing videos. Affiliate marketing is your best friend here. Start by identifying high-quality affiliate programs that align with the tools or gadgets you're reviewing. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates and consistent payouts, such as those provided by Amazon, Best Buy, or niche-specific brands. Integrate affiliate links seamlessly into your content by including them in your video descriptions, blog posts, or even through QR codes if you're sharing visuals. Pro tip: always disclose affiliate links to maintain transparency and build trust with your audience. Promote these products authentically, showcasing their real-world value to increase conversions and boost your passive income. Just don't rage quit during a tutorial video. Your audience might find it too relatable. And if you're wondering how to stand out in a crowded tech space, I'll reveal a secret strategy later in this video. Keep watching. 3. Health and wellness resources. From fitness routines to mental health tips, this niche is ripe with opportunities. You can create downloadable workout guides, meal plans, or even meditation audio tracks, all without showing your face. Platforms like Pinterest and Etsy are gold mines for selling wellness resources. Pair this with a blog or YouTube channel, and you've got a passive income engine. Just make sure your meal plan doesn't include pizza for breakfast. Unless it's a cheat day, of course. Now, let's shift gears to a niche that's all about creativity. 4. Digital art and printables. Are you a creative soul? Then digital art and printables might be your perfect niche. Design planners, wall art, or even wedding invitations. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to sell your creations. You don't need to be a professional artist to succeed here. AI design tools and templates can help you create stunning products with minimal effort. And if you're curious about a hack to double your sales in this niche, I'll reveal it later. Stick with me. 5. Online education and courses. Knowledge is power, and in 2025, it's also profitable. Create courses or tutorials on topics you're passionate about or experienced in. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to reach a global audience. Not sure what to teach? Use tools like Google Trends to find popular topics. Whether it's mastering Excel, playing the guitar, or learning Photoshop, there's an audience for everything. And if you're thinking, But I'm not an expert in anything? Think again. You only need to be one step ahead of your audience. From teaching skills to capturing moments, our next niche takes a visual approach. 6. Stock photography and videos. If you have a knack for photography or videography, why not turn your passion into passive income? Upload your work to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond 5. Each download earns you royalties. The best part? You can create faceless content by focusing on landscapes, abstract designs, or product photography. And if you're wondering how to rank higher and sell more, I've got a killer tip coming up. 7. Gaming content. Gaming isn't just a hobby, it's a billion-dollar industry. Create faceless content like gameplay highlights, tutorials, or reviews. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and even TikTok are perfect for this niche. Monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing for gaming gear. If you're consistent, this niche can level up your income fast. Just don't rage quit during a tutorial video. Your audience might find it too relatable. Finally, let's explore a niche that taps into global trends and timeless value. 8. Language learning resources. Language learning is evergreen. Create flashcards, grammar guides, or even pronunciation audio clips. Sell them on platforms like Etsy or through your own website. You can also partner with apps like Duolingo or Rosetta Stone for affiliate income. The demand for learning new languages is only growing, especially in a globalized world. And if you're wondering how to combine AI with this niche for explosive growth, my next video has all the answers. Bonus: Niche podcasts. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus niche for you: podcasts. Podcasts are booming, and you can create a faceless one on virtually any topic, from true crime to productivity hacks. The key is consistency and high-quality audio. Monetize through sponsorships, listener donations, or even exclusive content subscriptions. Use AI tools to edit your audio seamlessly or to generate scripts if you're unsure where to start. Just remember, your podcast doesn't need a dramatic intro like "In a World" unless you're narrating a sci-fi saga. With this bonus niche, you now have 9 powerful options to start building your faceless passive income empire in 2025. These 8 faceless online niches are more than just opportunities. They're pathways to freedom. The question is, which one will you choose? And if you want to supercharge your efforts, watch my video on how AI tools can help you save and make money in 2025. It's packed with strategies that pair perfectly with everything you learned today. Click here and start building your passive income empire today. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is yours to create.